Oh, hi! This week, we're gonna turn some leggings I bought into shorts because the thing about me, if I'm wearing a dress or skirt, I 100% of the time have some kind of short situation on under it. Lady boxers or bike shorts or even my gym shorts sometimes. Problem being, I'm going away for like 15-ish days and I only have 3 pairs of shorts to wear under dresses. Normally, on like a normal week, if I wear dresses 3 to 4 times during the week, I can wash it at the end of the week when I do laundry on Sundays. But as I'm going to be living in a suitcase for over 2 weeks, I need more supplies. I do not advocate giving Walmart more money, but leggings are not a thing I'm going to buy used at the thrift store, and these were $4. I still feel really guilty about having purchased these. I don't know why I went with this pattern. They didn't have just plain black, so guys, I had to go with jeggings. Jeggings seem like a normalized thing now, right? People don't hate on them as much as they used to because I feel like it used to be a thing to wear jeggings. Why the fuck does it matter? These look comfy as shit. Here's what you need. I'm trying to eat cereal while I'm doing this because I'm packing right now for my trip and I have like 40 minutes to get all this stuff sorted out. I'm mostly there. I'm pretty much packed. I already decanted all of my toiletries. I just need to actually like put them into my suitcase and then toss these in my suitcase. Ooh, and my heating pad. See, there's little things. I'm not leaving till tomorrow, but I want to have everything in there because then I will have a whole day to remember all those. Oh shit, I forgot. I can put that in my suitcase still. Ooh, these do seem like a little big. I'm just gonna decide where I want these shorts to end. It's gonna take a piece of chalk. Now keep in mind, you want your cut line to be lower than where you actually want the shorts to end because we're gonna be serging it and hemming it up, so like it's gonna go a little bit shorter, so just be wary. Also, like, you can always keep making them shorter, but once you go too short, you can't extend them. I mean, let's be real, you can extend them, but you know what I mean. I just want things to like work out and fit me properly the first fucking time instead of buying new shit and having to alter it myself. But hey, I wouldn't be into sewing probably at all if things fit me properly ever. I guess there's a silver lining there. Okay, so I have my line. I'm folding everything over and cut through both layers at the same time. I'm just gonna lay that other pair on top of this pair. Since I bought the same size, they're probably gonna be fitting me the same way. But who knows? I bought shirts from the same company in the exact same size, same style, everything, and had them be wildly different. Can't trust anyone. Alright, these look like shorts. Cool, cool, cool. Because these are really stretchy and I don't want anything fraying or anything. Just to give it a nice finished edge. I'm gonna serge around the leg holes. Oh no, it's not working. Well, fuck. I think I have to do this at work because I don't have time. God damn it! Jeez, okay. So, these are what the shorts turned into. Because I got these a little bit bigger than the size I should have done, all I did was go along this stitch line right here and then the one that goes back to front kind of under the crotch area. I just brought it up like ½ an inch at a time until they seem to fit pretty well. So you can do that if they're like oversized on you. I was gonna roll it over and do a zigzag stitch to hem it, but they're always gonna be worn under something. So yeah, I know it's been a minute since I posted anything. I'd like to knock out my Patreon shoutouts for this month because like I wouldn't have the motivation to be doing this video if it weren't for you guys, so I at least owe you this much. Big, huge, massive thank you to Jeanette and Cheryl and Team Family Awesome. I had so much fun getting stuck in that thunderstorm with you guys yesterday, even though there was a certain redhead missing. Not missing, but just like not with us. You get what I mean. He was somewhere else. And also to Rob Czar. Sorry things didn't work out when I was in Asheville, but like what a cool goddamn town. I had so much fun down there. My only regret is that I didn't get to try more of the breweries. I just managed to get altitude sickness because I'm an idiot and didn't look at elevation differences. And also just a big thanks to everybody that sticks around all the time, even when I'm extra inconsistent and it's like a stupid, fast, you probably already knew how to do this type project. I feel insanely lucky to have all of you having my back, so thanks. Shit, I should have gotten a size smaller. I thought about it so hard.